This is the Savage Scientist Ed. Today I'm about to unbox keyboard. Today I'm about to unbox this, the Logitech K830 TV keyboard, but it also has the Windows keys on it. Gotcha. So this is the K830 keyboard. Comes in this smooth matte finish box. Very smooth box. Take the picture right here. So I got the K830. Let's get this thing unboxed now. This keyboard was $66 on Amazon. In the box, keyboard is wrapped in this newsprint type paper. So this is the keyboard. Comes with instruction manual, warranty papers, USB extension cable, that might come in handy, and the USB mini USB cable, papers, and here it is, the keyboard. Nice fluid feeling keyboard right here. Buttons are responsive. Feel like it's a pretty decent sized trackpad. I do not know if it's gesture based yet, but I'll have to plug this up to see if it's gesture based. It's kind of flimsy, plastic feel. feel like it's a pretty good keyboard to type on. Media keys on the top, power button on the side, USB charger, USB input here. It comes with its own battery, so no having to charge batteries with this thing. Built-in battery, and I'm gonna let you know how long this battery lasts. This button has a picture of a mouse on it. I don't know what it does, but this is how you turn it on. Flip this to the left and to the right, turns it on. It's about half-inch thick, and the dimensions on this thing is goddamn tape measure. Whip out the tape measure and measure this thing. Measurements are 14 inches, 14 and a half inches width, and let's get the about 5. I would give it 5.5 inches across. Thickness, half-inch thick. There you have it. $60 on eBay. I mean, $60 on Amazon. I'm gonna test this keyboard out, see how good it is for y'all.